Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you 5 tips to boost your confidence when it's about to speak English. Tip number 1. Don't make high expectations from yourself. That means you don't want to be fluent on the first day. Give yourself time. Every day will be better. Just keep going. Tip number 2. Study every day, but not long hours, 10 to 15 minutes. That's perfectly enough. Regularly, it's better than long hours. Tip number 3. Use short sentences. Don't want to make long, difficult structures and sentences. Always think about short sentences. Subject, verb, object, or subject, verb, and an adverb. It's perfectly enough. You can put and, but, or so in the middle of the sentence and connect to another sentence, but completely enough if you speak short sentence after each other. Better than think about long sentences. Tip number 4. Use simple grammar. Don't use passive, conditional, or causative structures. Use the present simple, the past simple, the going to structures for presenting present, past, and future. Use simple grammar, which you already know, which you already use in every day, and later on you can use difficult structures, but always simple. And tip number 5. Use the words you already studied, you already know. It's very common that students want to use words that they don't know. You have a known vocabulary, you have hundreds of words you know. Use them! Easier! If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe, add comments, and see you on my next video. Bye bye!